ही खास आज की हमारी मुख्य अतिथि हैं जिनका नाम है मिस सौम्या तनेजा। सौम्या मैम प्रेजेंटली हेड ऑफ जूनियर स्कूल विद समरफील्ड स्कूल गुरुग्राम काम करते हैं। मैम का 7 years का एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग एज एन एजुकेटर एज अ टीजीटी सोशल साइंस हम रह चुका है। शी हैज वर्कड एज अ ट्रेनी टीचर इन डीपीएस स्कूल मथुरा रोड। Ma'am is also Microsoft Certified Innovative Educator Expert and is also curator of Adobe Disha program. We are honored to have you today with us for this session, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Pratishtha. My pleasure to be with you this afternoon, and a very, very good afternoon to all my dear students who are here this afternoon with me. So today we're going to have an interesting session, and we'll discuss about diversity, we'll discuss about heritage. So we'll just start sure as Pratishtha ma'am allows me to. Yeah. So are we good to start, or are we waiting for more to join?
No, ma'am. We are good to start.
Good to start. Okay, lovely. So we will just start our session today, and I will just share my screen with all of you. So yeah, just give me a second. Right. So I hope my presentation is visible to everybody.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Excellent. So today's session is all about understanding diversity and heritage. Okay, and जब हम diversity और heritage के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, I can see some very interesting and active children जिन्होंने annotations शुरू कर दी हैं, and they are very excited. So I'll just disable it. Doesn't matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So now जैसे हम diversity और heritage के बारे में आज ना तो हम पढ़ेंगे नहीं, हम बात करेंगे, right? So you will raise your hand and we will discuss, and then we will see what we have understood at the end of this session, right? So I will show you a picture. क्या आप ये पिक्चर देख सकते हैं? Sorry. क्या आप ये पिक्चर देख सकते हैं? अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को और बताइए कि क्या आप ये पिक्चर देख सकते हैं, और अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो आप ये मुझे बताएंगे कि आपको इस पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है, आपको what can you see in this picture and what can you understand? So I can see Shikha.
Can we request them to write their responses on the chat? I have actually disabled the right of
fine, Pratishtha. Okay. That will be fine. That will be good. So they can write it on their chat. So I'll open the chat and I'll see what you have written. Okay. So Divya says they're looking same. Excellent. Anybody else who want to write their response? आप चैट में लिखिए कि आपको इस इमेज को देख के क्या लग रहा है, क्या आपकी क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग है इस चैट इस इमेज को देखकर. Okay, so
ma'am, I'll share the responses. So they've shared that 3 people have been wearing same uniform, same clothes. They are doing unique kind of poses.
Okay.
Everything is similar. They are wearing same clothes, same moves, same hand gesture, same position. They have same faces. Anything else? Last 3 responses. Same clothes. Okay, they are copying each other.
Okay, excellent. So very, very fine responses this from this group of children that I have, where you're saying same position, same expressions, same dance, they're copying each other, they're wearing same clothes. So they all are looking same. Now, think about a question that I'm going to put in front of you. What if Mama gives you to eat same food every day? Will you enjoy it? If you'll enjoy, you'll raise your hand. अगर आपको रोज सेम खाना खाना अच्छा लगता है तो हाथ उठाइए, नहीं तो हाथ नीचे कर दीजिए. शिखा, आपको अच्छा लगता है? आपका हाथ उठा हुआ है. उत्कर्ष का भी हाथ उठा हुआ है. No, नहीं.
So they say no, ma'am, never.
No, never. Excellent.
We'll get bored. Okay.
Get bored. Oh lovely, है ना? तो हमको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, राइट? हमको रोज अच्छा अच्छा खाना खाने का मन करता है, हम रोज मम्मा से पूछते हैं आज आपने खाने में क्या बनाया है, हमें कल टिफिन में क्या मिलेगा, है ना? Everybody, Pratisha, you'll be surprised to see that nobody wants to eat same food every day.
Yes.
Nobody wants. Okay, perfect. So now we will have to understand this from that perspective, from that idea that we don't like things which are same. So same moves, same clothes, same faces, and same food, they are old ideas, right? And which is why the picture says they're all same idea, they're same old ideas. Let's try diversity, right? So this is where we come and we have to understand that what is diversity. So when we do different things, when we act differently, हम different खाना खाते हैं, हम different कपड़े पहनते हैं, हम different languages में बात करते हैं, हमारी hobbies different हैं, these differences bring diversity. So first thing that you've understood in today's session is that diversity means being different. Okay, diversity means being different. And remember the word different. You must remember these words because you're going to have a very interesting quiz after this. Okay, so you must be able to remember these words. So diversity means being different. Diversity means variety. Variety of clothes, variety of food, variety of languages, variety of, say, dresses that we wear. So diversity means variety. The next thing we'll see is, okay, now here's an interesting game for you. The game says, let's play bingo. Now, if you will see, there are these boxes here. What you need to do is, now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 12 boxes, okay? And each box has a thing. कहीं पे लिखा है you like to play cricket. किसी को क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को खाना बनाना अच्छा लगता है, कोई दिल्ली में बॉर्न हुआ है, कोई हरियाणा में हुआ है, कोई मे बी किसी और सिटी में बॉर्न हुआ है. क्या यहाँ पे कोई 2 से ज्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोल सकता है? क्या किसी की ब्राउन आईज है? तो आप ये देखेंगे और आप मुझे चैट में बताएंगे कि आउट ऑफ 12 हाउ मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर फॉर यू. Okay, so you will tell out of 12 which things are there for you and which are they. You can write a few. So whoever loves to cook will write I love to cook. Whoever loves to paint will write I love to paint, right? जो दिवाली और होली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं वो लिखेंगे हम दिवाली और होली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. जो सिर्फ वेजिटेरियन खाते हैं वो लिखेंगे कि हम वेजिटेरियन खाते हैं. So let's see what are your responses. Okay, Chetan says I like to play cricket. Anshu says I love to read. Okay, somebody says 10 boxes. Oh my God. Shikha says I love to read books. Oh, great.
I like to play cricket.
Arpit also says I like to play cricket. Okay. Varun also says that. I love to cook. Okay.
Play cricket, I think, is getting the maximum votes, ma'am.
Yeah, 9 boxes. Yeah. I love, see, Pratisha, you should see somebody says I like to play chess. Now it is not even a part of this, but they say it. So
Yes.
if you like to do something which is not a part of this bingo box, you write it. अगर इसके अलावा भी आप कुछ लिखते हो, अगर आप कुछ करते हो तो आप लिखो जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. Love to paint.
Paint, yes.
Excellent.
Dancing.
Monkey help. Excellent. Very nice. This is very my mother tongue.
Okay,
sketching.
She said more than 2 languages, including my mother. Okay.
Great. I can see. I mean, that बहुत अच्छे से response दे रहे हैं. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है पढ़ने में. Right. Okay. Cycling.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Brown eyes also, yeah. हमारे पास brown eyes वाले लोग भी हैं. Dancing, football, yeah. So they're footballers also. Very nice. Very nice. Love to read, play table tennis, can speak 3 languages. Okay. Who knows 3 languages? Yellow eyes. Okay.
There was a soccer player. There was a hockey player.
There's a chess player also, yeah. Interesting. So now if you will see in a group of, so right now we have about 100 participants. So there are about 100 people who are here in this meeting today, and to be precise, 121. So, all of us have different likings. Like I love to cook. Right, Pratishtha ma'am, any of these that you like to do?
Yes, I love to celebrate Diwali and Holi. They are my favorite festival. And I love to paint and dance.
Excellent, yeah, lovely. So see, we all have different choices. We all have different, different choices, different likings, different and dislikings. Yet, हम सब आज साथ में बैठे. So the fun is that हम सब साथ में. The fun is कि हम सबको अलग-अलग चीजें पसंद है, but we all are friends, isn't it? So this is what diversity means. Diversity means that we are different, yet we are together with each other. So proceeding ahead with this, now we're going to see this picture. Now this is again a very interesting picture, and this is my favorite picture. Okay, so now there are two eggs which are not broken, and there are two eggs which are broken, and I want you to see this and tell me आपको क्या समझ में आया, फिर मैं समझाऊंगी. All right, so you will tell me what have you understood from this picture. I want your answers, because ultimately it's all about you. So tell me, you can see two eggs which are not broken and two eggs which are broken. So you have to tell me what do you understand from this. हमने डाइवर्सिटी के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने समझा कि डाइवर्सिटी का मतलब है यूनिक होना, डाइवर्सिटी का मतलब है डिफरेंट होना, डाइवर्सिटी का मतलब है वैरायटी, right? Ma'am, they are different in color but same inside. Okay, we are same inside. Ma'am, all same, no one is different person. Okay, Varun is a very, very good answer. Varun, clapping for you. Right. Arpit says same inside. Okay, different color. Anmol says all are different from outside but same inside. Excellent. Wonderful. Okay. The egg yolk is same. Okay. Same inside. Okay. Different color. Okay. Palak says, I don't know. No worries, Palak. I'll tell you what.
One response is, ma'am, that we are, might look different, but we are made of same thing.
Oh, lovely. I think, I'm getting some very beautiful responses. Yeah. They're lovely. बहुत ही बढ़िया बच्चे हैं ये जो इतने अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स दे रहे हैं एंड मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है बिकॉज जब कोई आंसर देता है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट. Excellent, yeah, lovely. Same inside, but we're made different. We have talent, but we have to decide how to use it. Okay, excellent, Sujal. Very nice. Some very good, unique things.
Unique things.
Okay.
Eggs have different variety.
Okay. Okay. So, they're trying to use the word different and variety.
Yes.
Which is, I'm liking that. That's good. Excellent. Okay. Okay, fine. So proceeding further, and I really like कि आप लोगों को बात समझ आ रही है जो यहाँ पर लिखी है, right? Now what we have to understand here is bete, that you see two eggs, one is white and one is a little brown, right? इनके colors फर्क है, but अंदर से ये same है. इनके अंदर से same yellow yolk निकला. It's the egg. Whatever color it is the same function. So we all might look different. Someone might look very fair, someone might look wheatish, someone must be tall, some can be, short, some can be thin, some can be healthy. We all can look in different ways. Some may have very long hair, girls, some might have short hairs, right? So we all may look different from each other, but from the inside, we all are the same. We all are the same from inside. No matter how you look, no matter what you look like, whatever your appearances are, at the end of the day, it's the matter of two eyes, one nose, a pair of lips, 2 ears, right? And this is important for us. ये जरूरी है हमारे लिए. और हम अंदर से सेम हैं. हम सब human beings हैं, है ना? हम सब human beings हैं. How are we diverse? We're diverse the way we look. हम different हैं क्योंकि हम differently दिखते हैं, हम differently सोचते हैं, पर अंदर से हम सब same हैं, right? We're all human beings. So very important to understand that we must respect each other. Okay, we must celebrate diversity and we must respect diversity. Celebrating diversity and respecting diversity दोनों बहुत important चीजें हैं, क्योंकि different होना बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि अगर हम सब लोग different नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? हम same बातें करेंगे, हम same चीज सोचेंगे, और जब हम सेम चीज सोचेंगे तो नए आइडियाज ही नहीं आएंगे और हम कुछ डिफरेंट ही नहीं करेंगे। तो हमें हमेशा ये बात याद रखनी है कि बाहर से चाहे हम सब अलग हो पर अंदर से हम सब सेम है। One thing, now can you tell me, I have a very interesting question in my mind. You all know that you all are different, you all are diverse. By now सबको पता है। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि हम सब में कॉमन चीज क्या है? Let me see if somebody gives me an answer. हम सब में कॉमन बात क्या है? Anshu, I'll tell you what heritage means. I'll Naira says soul.
Soul, mind.
Wow.
Rakesh says mind. We all have heart. So now they've come to body
If we
part.
all are human, fine. We all
Brain.
human beings, brain, okay. और कुछ सोल ब्रेन के अलावा, सोल ब्रेन के अलावा क्या चीज
Food. Eat
जो
food.
common है? Let's
Someone has
think.
written eat
Feeling,
food.
okay, very important. Yeah, I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. फूड देखो कितना फूड है यार, सबको भूख लग रही है, किसी ने लंच नहीं किया आज।
Thinking different is one student has written thinking different.
We all think differently, agreed. I totally agree. But what is some similarity other than having a brain, having having eyes, ears, nose? What is one more thing that you feel is common amongst us? सोचो जल्दी सोचो। अच्छा, इसका आंसर मैं आपको दूंगी बाद, ठीक है? जब हम थोड़ी सी देर के बाद इसका आंसर देंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन याद रखना कि हम में क्या चीज एक है जो सेम है। सो आई टेक दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन अ होल्ड एंड आई विल गिव एन आंसर लेटर। प्रतिष्ठा मैम विल रिमाइंड मी इफ आई डोंट गिव एन आंसर।
Yes, ma'am. Last response, ma'am. 2 responses is that we all are humans and we live on earth, and this last is someone said emotions. Okay.
Okay, so now we proceed further and we look at diversity in a nutshell. So diversity means variety and being different. Variety means having lots and lots of options, right? Being different, like we all know that we're all different from each other. Okay, then it is a product of different geography, culture, and history. Now, somebody here asked me what is heritage. This is where I will bring what is heritage for you. We need to know that what heritage is. Now, when I'm talking about diversity, जब हम विविधता की बात करते हैं, इसमें सबसे important चीज जो हमें जाननी है और हमें समझनी है, तो ये है कि इसका मतलब ये है respecting and understanding the differences among individuals. जो भी हम सबके बीच में डिफरेंसेस हैं जो हैं, हम डिफरेंट दिखते हैं, हम डिफरेंट सोचते हैं, हम डिफरेंट जगहों से आते हैं, हम सबके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चॉइसेस हैं। नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट यू ऑल वांट टू बिकम, आप सबके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आइडियाज होंगे। नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम इन द चैट? आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? जैसे मैं एक टीचर हूँ, मैं टीचर बनना चाहती थी, आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? बताओ, आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? ओके, सो
Police officer, lawyer, advocate, doctor,
businessman, engineer, YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Wow, soldier, army man. Okay, teacher also, very good. Scientist, gamer. Very nice. Police officer. CA, lawyer. Excellent, yeah. Fighter pilot, chief minister, a good citizen, somebody says. Doctor, so many doctors, yeah. Prime Minister, CEO. Okay, so now you see baker, somebody says baker, somebody says a cricketer, somebody says a politician. All right, so now if you will see this, so you will see that amongst all of us, we all have different choices. Some are same and some are different. We all are different from each other. So diversity means that we are different, and it means that we must respect these differences. If somebody wants to become an engineer, we must say, oh yes, you must go ahead, bano, right? तो हमें सबके different choices को respect करना भी diversity है. Next thing. Next is, now there's a very beautiful quote which says, the beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people. right? The world is a beautiful place because there are different people in it, right? There are different people in it. There are so many, the people who speak different languages. There are people, who eat different food. There are people who dress differently. There are people who have different ideas. And that is why world is a beautiful place, right? A world is only a beautiful place because there are different people in it, because there are people of different colors, different sizes, which is what is very, very important. We must understand that we are similar in some ways, and but we're quite different from each other in some other ways. So whether it's our age, अब यहाँ पे सब different age के हैं, कोई 11 years का है, कोई 10 years का है, कोई 12 years का है, कोई 13 years का है, maybe कोई 14 years का है. We're all of different age groups, right? We have somebody's, there are boys and there are girls. We have gender differences also. We follow different religions. We have different beliefs. So that all makes us different. And that makes this whole class today very beautiful. It's beautiful because we all are there and we are very, very different. So as we proceed further, how is diversity important? It is important because it is an integral part of our lives. आपकी और मेरी लाइफ में डाइवर्सिटी, विविधता बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि सेम चीजें हम किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती. और ये चीज हमें सिखाती है, it teaches us that there are different ways of doing the same things. एक ही चीज को करने के बहुत सारे तरीके है ना, बहुत सारे तरीके एक ही चीज को करने के लिए. अब अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपको एक you have to make a fruit salad, okay? तो सबका fruit salad different होगा. कोई कहेगा मैं सिर्फ बनाना, एप्पल और पेयर डालूंगा. कोई कहेगा कि मैं बनाना, एप्पल और ग्रेप्स भी डालूंगी, है ना. कोई बोल सकता है कि मैम मैं तो इसके अंदर बनाना के साथ वाटरमेलन भी डालूंगा या डालूंगी. सो एक चीज को करने के बहुत सारे तरीके, और यही डाइवर्सिटी है. डाइवर्सिटी हमें यही सिखाती है कि हम एक चीज को बहुत सारी तरीके से करें, यूनिक तरीके से करें, डिफरेंट तरीके से करें, इन अ वेरिड वे. And that makes a society very, very rich. Okay, that makes a society very, very rich. India's diversity is known all over the world because there are so many things we all do in a different way. Okay, now can anybody give me an example? Okay, now one quick question from all my friends. All my friends here, the young ones, my little ones today, one question: can anyone tell me any one festival जो different parts of the world में different नाम से जाना जाता है? करते उसमें हम same चीज है पर उसका नाम differently लिया जाता है. Can anyone tell that to me, please? Some responses are coming in. New Year, okay. Okay. Christmas. One festival by different names. Lodi, very good. Lodi ka
Onam. Yes, ma'am. One response is Onam.
Yes, very good.
Onam.
Basant Panchami, okay. All right. Okay, right. So we have so many festivals. So like I talk about the harvest festival. In some places it's known as Onam, somewhere it's Basant Panchami. Yes, Onam is right, Anshu, right? So this is what we need to know, that this is how our society become rich, right? So this was the significance of diversity. Now there is this very interesting thing for all of you today, which is called a Menti quiz. Okay. Now we have heard so much of diversity now in last half an hour. We've discussed about diversity. Diversity means being different and all that. So now we're going to make a word cloud today. So I am going to paste this link in your chat, and you will click on the link. I'll just do it everyone in the meeting, and you will click on the link You will click on the link and you will see a screen. And you will see something like this. And you have to just write in one word, what does diversity mean to you? In one word. Okay, so Rijul has written his name. Different, okay, very good. Differences. A family. Keep writing whatever one word you think. Your variety, okay, very good. Different. One word you think diversity means, you will write that. Excellent.
1 minute का टाइम है सबके पास. Let's see हम कितने responses collect कर सकते हैं. And the count begins.
Okay. Let's, excellent. Pratishta ma'am, can you see this beautiful word cloud that all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
kids are making? 39 responses, 41.
Quality they said, with
Yeah.
differences.
Yes. Variety also I can see. Somebody says family, they know that a family has different people.
Friendship.
Friendship, okay, very good. What else? What have you, okay, you can even write one word that you've learned so far in the session today. एक चीज जो आपने अभी तक सीखी है, वो आप लिखो. Diversity से related.
मैम मैंने ये चीज सीखी है कि जब आप डाइवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं चॉइसेस की बात करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस होते हैं.
Excellent. Yes, बहुत सारी choices भी होती हैं. Very good. Color, somebody is written about color. They have understood something about color. Very nice.
Color.
Yeah. Great. 66 responses. Yeah, beautiful. I'm seeing a very beautiful and a colorful word cloud.
Last 10 seconds.
Okay, so countdown शुरू कर दें.
Yes, ma'am. 10,
9, 8, 7. Different choices.
Yes.
Wow. Unique also somebody writes, yeah. Somebody write unique also. Very good. 6 and 5. 68 responses and 5. 4, 3, 2. Last 1 second. State of different thing. Okay. Different choices, different types.
expressions someone has written.
Expressions. Okay. Excellent. So the maximum responses were different. That is why different is the biggest word in the center, because many people, many kids have written what diversity means to them is different, and then variety, and then differences, and family, which is an excellent takeaway. I'm glad that they've understood this, and that's excellent. So proceeding ahead, friends. What we are going to do is, now we're going to, I think before we proceed further, I think you should clap for them, isn't it? So I'll clap for them. Excellent. Wonderful. Right. I can see few children and they're not smiling. Why can't they smile? They should smile. Are you not enjoying? I can see some faces, they're not smiling. Tani, you're not smiling? You're not smiling? Smile. Oh, she's trying to smile and she looks so nice, isn't it? Okay, fine. So now we're going to talk about diversity and heritage, which is very, very important for us. Now, somebody asked me in the beginning, what is heritage? Heritage is something that belongs to all of us. It is very important for us to understand. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'll just show you the PowerPoint again. Yeah. So now we have to understand that what exactly heritage means. So heritage is something that is given to us from our ancestors, and that is something we need to give it on or pass it on to a future generation. So इसके अंदर आपको दो चीजें समझनी है कि हमने ये कैसे अपने पास से ली. तो इसमें हेरिटेज में the concept of past, present and future is very important. It is very, very important, the concept of past, present and future. Because जो आज हमारे पास है, heritage is our Sanskriti. Right? Heritage is something that is very, very, it's विरासत, हमारी विरासत जो हमने ली है. आज आप किसने ताजमहल देखा होगा? Raise your hands. किसने ताजमहल देखा होगा? How many have seen a Taj Mahal? or Qutub Minar, any old building, any old monument that you have
Lal
seen.
Killa, Lal
Lal
Killa.
Killa, Lal
We
Killa.
have more than 25 hands raised, ma'am.
Excellent, yeah. So आप ये क्या है? ये क्या आज बना है? नहीं, ये कब से बना हुआ है, राइट? ये हमारी विरासत है, जो हमें जो हमारे एंसेस्टर्स हैं वो दे करके गए हैं, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट आवर हेरिटेज इज. This is what is heritage. So this is, when I'm talking about heritage, you have to understand that diversity और heritage दोनों साथ है. अब अगर आपको याद हो, मैंने आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि हम सब में एक चीज कॉमन क्या है, याद है? और उसमें एक मैं आंसर ढूंढ रही थी. वो आंसर ये था, हम सब में एक चीज जो सेम है वो ये है कि हम सब इंडियंस हैं. हम सब इंडियंस हैं. जो मर्जी हम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हो, जहां मर्जी से हम आते हो, पर हम सब एक हिंदुस्तानी हैं. ये हम सब में कॉमन सी चीज है कि नहीं? दिस इज वन थिंग विच इज वेरी कॉमन टू ऑल ऑफ अस. So this is what we need to know, and this is what we need to respect. So this is what we're going to study, diversity and heritage. Now when I'm talking about heritage is a full range of inherited traditions and monuments. जब मैं हेरिटेज की बात करती हूँ तो 3 चीजें हमें याद रखनी है बच्चे. टैंजिबल, वास्तविक, ठीक है? टैंजिबल, वास्तविक चीजें. देन लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉन्यूमेंट्स, ये टैंजिबल है. इनटैंजिबल, अमूर्त, जो मूर्तियां नहीं है, जैसे कि हमारे कस्टम्स और प्राकृतिक, ये हमारी हेरिटेज है. तो जब हम डाइवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं, जो हमने इतनी देर से करी है, यू नो, व्हेन यू टॉकिंग अबाउट डाइवर्सिटी, व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि इतनी सारी जो टाइप्स ऑफ डाइवर्सिटीज है इंडिया में, लिंग्विस्टिक डाइवर्सिटी, दैट मींस बहुत सारी भाषाएं, बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस, राइट? ज्योग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी, डिफरेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स है हमारी कंट्री में. कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, डिफरेंट फूड, डिफरेंट डांसेस, म्यूजिक, क्लॉथ्स, आर्ट एंड कल्चर एंड डिफरेंट रिलीजन, ये सब जो है ये हमारी हेरिटेज बनाते हैं. ये हमें विरासत में मिला है और हमें इसको आगे लेके जाना है. फिर जब हम हेरिटेज की बात करते हैं तो एक होता है बिल्ट हेरिटेज. बिल्ट हेरिटेज होता है आपका निर्मित विरासत. जैसे हमने मॉन्यूमेंट्स की बात करी, वो आपका बिल्ट हेरिटेज. और एक होता है आपका कल्चरल हेरिटेज, जो होता है आपका सांस्कृतिक विरासत. तो जब मैंने भाषा की बात करी, जब मैंने खाने की बात की, जब मैंने डांसेस की बात करी, त्योहारों की बात करी, तो ये सब क्या है? ये कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, ये सांस्कृतिक है. तो अब हम एक एक करके इन डाइवर्सिटीज के बारे में बात करेंगे और समझेंगे कि ये हमारे विरासत का कैसे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी सबसे पहले लिंग्विस्टिक डाइवर्सिटी, विच इज भाषाएं. हमारे देश में बहुत सारी भाषाएं. अब आप ये देखेंगे, कुछ मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने अपना नाम हिंदी में लिखा है, बंगाली में भी लिखा है, पंजाबी में भी लिखा है, सिंधी में भी लिखा है, कन्नड़ में भी लिखा है, मलयालम में भी लिखा है, गुजराती में भी लिखा है, तेलुगु में भी लिखा है. मेरा नाम हर भाषा में लिखा जा सकता है और आपका भी लिखा जा सकता है. अगर आप गूगल पे लिखेंगे उत्कर्ष इन बंगाली या अनमोल इन पंजाबी, तो आपका आप लिखेंगे क्या कहते हैं, रिया का नाम मलयालम में या कनिष्क का नाम गुजराती में, तो आप देखेंगे कि आपका नाम भी डिफरेंट भाषाओं में लिखा जा सकता है. तो आप गूगल में किसी भी भाषा में अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज डाइवर्सिटी. अब जैसे ही गूगल पे लिखेंगे, द मोमेंट यू विल टाइप ऑन गूगल, व्हाट यू विल सी इज, यू विल सी दैट अ लॉट ऑफ all the languages are there. I should not say lot of them, सारी languages हैं. तो गूगल भी सारी languages को रिस्पेक्ट करता है और ये हमारी डाइवर्सिटी है और साथ में यही हमारी एक हेरिटेज है, हमारी इतनी सारी भाषाएं. अगली डाइवर्सिटी है ज्योग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी, विच मीन्स अगर आप इंडिया देखेंगे तो इंडिया में हर तरह की लैंड है. माउंटेन्स भी हैं, प्लेन एरियाज भी हैं, डेजर्ट्स भी हैं, प्लेट्यू भी है और घाट्स भी हैं, आइलैंड्स भी हैं. इंडिया में माउंटेन्स है. जब हम अगर हम शिमला जाते हैं, मसूरी जाते हैं, वो क्या है? वो माउंटेन्स हैं. है ना. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, हम जहाँ रहते हैं, जहाँ हम रहते हैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में, ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स है. यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर हो सकता है, कितने फार्म्स है यहाँ पे. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो लैंड है, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी मिट्टी है, बहुत फर्टाइल लैंड है. इट्स अ फर्टाइल लैंड, राइट. फिर आप साउथ इंडिया में जाइए तो वहां प्लेट्यू है, और जहां पे प्लेट्यू होता है वहां पे बहुत सारे मिनरल्स हो सकते हैं. तो आपकी कंट्री में एग्रीकल्चर भी हो सकता है, आपकी कंट्री में माउंटेन्स भी हैं, आपकी कंट्री में डेजर्ट भी है, आपकी कंट्री में मिनरल्स भी आ सकते हैं, आपकी कंट्री में घाट्स भी हैं, राइट, विच आर वेरी ग्रीन, राइट. सो geographically also India is diverse. India is a very diverse country. And then we'll see the cultural diversity where we talk about our heritage also, right? Different clothes, different, hum sab different kapde pehen sakte hain. Now can you quickly tell me what are the different clothes that you like to wear in the chat? So sometime, okay, somebody has given me some very interesting answers. Ma'am, where Two River joins the fertile land. Okay, very good. Nakul, I really like the answer. So now jeans and top. Okay. Any other, if you come from a different background, अगर आप किसी और जगह से आए हैं, किसी और सिटी से आए हैं, किसी और स्टेट से आए हैं, और वहां की अगर अलग सी कोई ड्रेस है और अगर आपको उसका नाम पता है तो बताइए. पहाड़ी क्लोथ्स, सागर सेज पहाड़ी क्लोथ्स. साड़ी, ओके. शर्ट एंड पैंट, लहंगा, ओके. धोती कुर्ता, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. पोशाक, ओके. राजस्थानी क्लोथ्स, घाघरा कुर्ता, वेरी गुड. धोती कुर्ता, एक्सीलेंट. hijab, very beautiful. Ghagra, lehenga. So you see, there are so many different type of clothes that we can wear, right? And then a cultural diversity में clothes भी आते हैं, music भी आता है, different instruments. यहाँ पे किसी को कोई instrument बजाना आता है? और अगर आता है तो आप नाम बताइए. किसी को instrument बजाना आता है यहाँ पे? कोई है? पियानो, नकुल को पियानो, अंशु को फ्लूट, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सुजल को भी फ्लूट बजाना आता है, वेरी. हारमोनियम बजाना आता है, अजीत को कॉन्गो बजाना आता है, एक्सेलेंट. गिटार ऑल्सो, वेरी गुड नकुल. वाओ, सम चेतन सेज ड्रम्स, ओके. आई मीन, आई एम सो हैप्पी. आज इतनी डाइवर्स क्लासरूम में हूं मैं, that I must thank Pratishtha ma'am that she has called me here for this session where I have a very diverse class. Somebody says a mouth organ also. Okay, very good. Casio, lovely. So see, so this is what it is. You have, you all are very diverse, and you all are together with, you're all together, and you're creating a legacy to be taken forward, which is very good. And then we have different dances. So any dancers here? Any dancers? Any form of dance that girls and boys know? Any dancers? Bhangra, okay. Kathak, okay. Hip hop, all right.
Kalbelia.
Kalbelia. I'm so sorry. Hip hop, Bhangra. Belly dance, wow.
Pahadi dance. Okay.
Pahadi dance, Western dance. See, Govinda dance. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, excellent. Start feeling hungry. Right. So now this is exactly, so again, a very interesting part of our cultural diversity is food, and you will all see that different types of foods are there, which contribute to our cultural heritage. And it's important for us to preserve it. Now comes art and sculpture. There are different forms of art and sculptures. If you go to the monuments, now if you will see this one monument here, it speaks stories. I mean, it speaks stories. These temples have stories. So this is your heritage. Your heritage is something that speaks a lot about your culture. You know, it's very important that we have to understand that, you know, heritage is something that needs to be preserved. More than being understood, it needs to be preserved. You know, like I'll tell you a very interesting thing. So, you know, our heritage is basically our inheritance. What the past has given to us, the generations that have gone, what they've given to us, and what you value in the present is what you choose to preserve for future generations. आज जो भी आपके पास है, जो फूड आप पसंद करते हैं, जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आप प्ले करते हैं, जो डांस फॉर्म्स आप सीख रहे हैं, ये एक संस्कृति है, ये एक विरासत, एक संस्कृति है जो आपको विरासत के रूप में मिली है। और आज आप इसे सीख रहे हैं, आज आप इसे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, आप इसे लेकर आप जो आप आज सीख रहे हैं वही आप आगे आने वाली जनरेशंस को सिखाएंगे, है ना? तो ये दिस इज व्हाट हेरिटेज, और ये आपको जो ये हेरिटेज है ये आपको आगे लेके जाना। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. We have to understand that heritage is important because it helps us shape our identity. Today, when we say we are Indians, we say that very proudly that we are Indians. My identity today, before that I am Miss Soumya Taneja, or I am a head junior school, or whatever things I have done, before everything, in sab cheezon se pehle bachche, the most important thing is that I am an Indian. This is my identity. I represent my country. Right? And it becomes, and this heritage has become a part of me. If I'm wearing a sari today, this is a very important fabric which defines my country. So if I'll wear this sari and go wherever, everybody will know that I'm from India. This is my identity. My clothes are a part of me. Right? Whatever I, मैं हिंदी में अगर बात करती हूँ तो ये मेरी राष्ट्रभाषा है, ये मेरी आइडेंटिटी है, राइट? तो हमें अपनी इस आइडेंटिटी को वैल्यू करना बहुत जरूरी है, हमें अपनी हेरिटेज को वैल्यू करना बहुत जरूरी है, और इसीलिए हमें डाइवर्सिटी को वैल्यू करना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर हम डाइवर्सिटी की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो हम अपनी हेरिटेज को वैल्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे, और हम सबके लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि हम सब इंडियंस हैं और ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी आइडेंटिटी है, राइट? देन as we proceed further, the last one is religious diversity. अब आपके बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी पिक्चर है, अगर आप इसे ध्यान से देखेंगे, सबसे पहले लिखा है हिंदुइज्म, फिर लिखा है जैनिज्म, बुद्धिज्म, सिखिज्म, इस्लाम, क्रिश्चियनिटी. बहुत सारे रिलीजन्स हैं, पर हम सब हिंदुइज्म से, जैनिज्म, बुद्धिज्म, सिखिज्म, इस्लाम, क्रिश्चियनिटी से नहीं, हम इंडियन होने से जाने जाते हैं. So when you see this, you know, you have to understand one thing, that when we're talking about diversity or heritage, we have to understand that before anything, हर चीज से पहले सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि हम इंडियंस हैं, और ये डाइवर्सिटी हमारा पार्ट है. This is an integral part of you and me, and we have to take it forward. We have to respect it because it's important. You know, it's important to protect your heritage, because only then you will be able to take pride in it. A sense of belongingness will come कि ये मेरा है, ये मेरा देश है, ये हमारी संस्कृति है और ये हमें विरासत में मिली है. Okay, now with this I'm going to show you a very interesting video, and after this video we will play a small game, right? So I will just show you this video. Just give me a second, please. Yeah, stop sharing my screen again, and I'll share my screen again with you, and I'll show you a very interesting video. Just give me a second, please.
Grammarly helps make your writing clear and concise, no matter where you are. Compose a cover letter
see this video. Right. So we saw an interesting video on diversity now. So Pratishtha ma'am, my question from you, can they be sent to breakout rooms, or do I do an activity just without that? Just give me a
Ma'am,
second, please. Yeah,
breakout
just-
rooms will be a little
Just give me a
difficult.
second, please.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, breakout rooms will be a little difficult.
Doesn't matter. So we'll
Wow,
just have another.
Should I allow them to mute themselves? Do you want me to give them the rights?
So if we can have a small interactive session with them. You know.
Okay, I'll just give them permission to unmute.
So they can just raise their hands and we can unmute them, and we can just have a small interaction before I wrap up the session.
Okay, just a second. Just a second.
Okay. So now that I think they all can speak, right?
Wait. Yes, now you all can unmute. आप सब अपना माइक जब मैम पूछेंगी तब अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं. जो डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करेगा उसे मैं बाहर कर दूंगी. Yes, ma'am. Soumya ma'am, you are on mute.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Pratishtha ma'am. So we will have a quick session now. So I'm going to give you people 2 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes by my watch. And what you have to do is you have to write your name and you have to write your friend's name, any friend. And you have to write how you and your friend is different. You can write maybe what is your hobby and your friend's hobby. Gaurav says his best friend's name is Adi. Okay, so Gaurav, on a paper you will write, and you will write on a paper that how you and Adi are different, and then you will unmute and tell me. Okay. Okay, Shivani's friend is Nimisha. So Shivani, you also write on a paper how your friend is different from you. How are you different? You like different food, you play different games. How are you different from each other? And you will unmute yourself, and then you're going to tell us about how you're different. So you will raise your hands if you're ready. Aman, are you ready? Aman Rana, are you ready? Karan Kumar, Utkarsh, are you ready? Yes, Uti.
Ma'am, can be a diversity, or that word is not coming in my mind.
You
Ma'am,
can
it
speak in
cannot
Hindi.
be.
You can speak
हिंदी
in
में भी
Hindi
बोल
as
सकते
well.
हो बेटा.
No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, हम उसको ma'am equality नहीं कह सकते ma'am, different की जगह.
Okay, Utkarsh has asked me a very good question कि क्या हम diversity को equality नहीं कह सकते? बेटा, diversity और equality दो अलग-अलग चीजें. Equality का मतलब है कि हम सब एक बराबर हैं, और diversity का मतलब है हम सब different हैं. But because आपने एक question पूछा है, इसलिए मैं आपको ये बात बताऊंगी, और ये बहुत अच्छा question है. जब हम diversity की बात करते हैं कि हम सब different हैं, राइट जब हम ये याद रखते हैं कि हम डिफरेंट हैं, देयर इज वैरायटी, हमें ये भी याद रखना है बेटा कि हमें सबको इक्वली ट्रीट करना है. जब मैं ये कह रही थी we should respect differences, that means equality, Utkarsh. Okay, so he has asked a very beautiful question, and you all must remember that जब डाइवर्सिटी होती है तो इनइक्वालिटी हो सकती है, पर हम सबको डिफरेंसेस को रिस्पेक्ट करना है, एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, और जब हम एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, एक दूसरे के डिफरेंसेस को, एक दूसरे के चॉइसेस को रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, तभी हम एक दूसरे को इक्वल समझ पाएंगे.
Ma'am, it means that no discrimination will be involved in that.
Excellent, wonderful, a big clap for Utkarsh. No discrimination. हमें discriminate नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें एक दूसरे की respect करनी चाहिए. Very good.
Ma'am, we
Excellent.
don't have to different between white and black people.
Yes, we should not make, we should not have differences on the basis of color. Very good. So anybody who wants to share the difference between them and their friends? Anybody?
I Rakesh.
Okay, yes, Rakesh, please tell me.
My name is Rakesh Yadav and my friend's name is Rasmi Pandey. We spoke different languages and she is in different class, and we both like different colors and other things.
Excellent. So, see, let's learn something from Rakesh's example. Rakesh, what is your friend's name, if you can tell me?
I'm Rasmi Pandey.
Sorry, Rashmi Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So see, Rakesh and Rashmi are two friends. Yes, they are friends, but they are different. This is the lesson we need to learn, that we will have people in our lives. We will have friends who will be different. But when we are calling them friends, अगर हम उन्हें अपना friend बुलाते हैं, तो हमें उनकी respect करनी चाहिए, हमें उनको appreciate करना चाहिए, और हमें उनके साथ रहना चाहिए. मैंने आपसे ये एक्टिव, और कोई है जो ये बताना चाहता है? और कोई है?
Diksha wanted to say.
Yes,
Diksha,
Diksha.
you
Yes,
can
Diksha.
unmute.
My friend name is Ma'am Anu, and there was an not Indian.
Okay, not your friend is not an Indian. So which papa, कहाँ के हैं वो? कहाँ के आपके friend?
Ma'am, she was an
I think
We lost the connection.
connection. Somebody else also wants. Anshu wants to speak.
Wanted to speak. Anshu, you can unmute.
Good morning, good afternoon, ma'am.
speak.
My name is Anshu and my best friend name is Sahil Khan. I am Hindu and he is Muslim. I love to speak, he loves to listening.
Okay,
You
one is
love
a
to
listener, one is a speaker.
Yeah, so one speaks and the other listens. Excellent. Anyone else? Anyone else? Kumkum wants to speak. Kumkum wants to speak, right? So yes, Kumkum.
Ma'am, my name is Kumkum and my best friend name is Nupur. Nupur.
Okay. So
I
how are
like-
you different?
I like reading and drawing. She like dancing and singing. I am long, she is short.
Okay, so you're taller than her, which is very good. Anything else?
I like rice, she like burger.
Okay.
I like Diwali, she like Holi.
Okay.
She speak Haryanvi, I speak Hindi.
Okay, excellent. So, before we quickly, wrap up today's session, and I'll just bring it to the conclusion, and I'll just wrap it up. So, what I want you to understand, मैंने आपसे ये एक्टिविटी क्यों कराई कि आप अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम लिखो और आप लिखो कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे से कैसे डिफरेंट हो, आपको ये समझाने के लिए बच्चों कि आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, आपके और फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे, आप जैसे जैसे बड़े होंगे आपके और फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे और सब आपस में डिफरेंट होंगे. अभी आप सब आगे जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ोगे लाइफ में, आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे जो डिफरेंट होंगे, राइट? तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है. आप उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, वो आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, और इसी तरीके से हम सब एक दूसरे को एक तरह से ट्रीट करेंगे. वी विल ट्रीट एवरीवन विद इक्वालिटी एंड वी विल respect the diversity and preserve the heritage of the country that lies within us. This is what I want you to understand, that you represent the heritage of the nation tomorrow. जो हेरिटेज है, जो भी हमें मिलता आया है आज तक अपने एंसेस्टर्स से, उसको आगे आपने लेकर जाना है, और आप उसे आगे तब लेकर जाओगे बेटा जब आप डाइवर्सिटी को रिस्पेक्ट करोगे, जब आप अपने आसपास के लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट करोगे. Okay, so with this, I'll wrap up today's session. Thank you very much. And I expect that we all will keep spreading happiness, and we will keep, respecting each other's differences, keep appreciating and learn from them. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank
Pratishtha
you,
ma'am,
ma'am,
that's
for
all from
giving
my
this
side.
great
Can I share
webinar.
mine?
Thank you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. I would request all the students to turn on their video. मैं सबकी एक फोटो लेना चाहूंगी मैम के साथ.
Great. Let's have a picture.
Yes, if you can just turn on your cameras. Yes.
And we are done with owning cameras.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Ishika, Komal, you can turn on the camera.
Okay,
I'll just take a screenshot. Ria, turn on the camera, bache. Yes. So good to see these smiling, lovely faces.
Ma'am, can I share my PPT now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Soumya ma'am, for
My
that
pleasure,
insightful
always.
session and such interactive and entertaining activities. It was really amazing to be a part of this.
Thank you so much.
Just
My
to
pleasure.
share with you, ma'am, Utkarsh has made a small PPT, a 4-slide PPT on this topic.
I would love
So,
to see that.
yes, he has requested to screen share. Utkarsh, you can screen
Please,
share.
please, I would love to see what Utkarsh has made.
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, we can.
Ma'am, can you
Yeah.
see?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. Heritage and diversity. Indian diversity. Indian culture is one of the oldest and unique in India. There is an amazing culture diversity through the country. The South, North, and Northeast has their own integrated cultures, and almost every state has carried its own culture.
Utkarsh,
Ma'am.
can I request you if you can just run through the slides? Just
Yes,
run
yes,
through the
ma'am.
slides.
Ma'am, but many students are scribbling on screen.
No, we can see, no problem. Ma'am just wants to see what you have prepared. Okay, so this is about the languages in India, different kind of languages, right? Very interesting. I can help you, Utkarsh, just
Yes, ma'am, many students are scribbling.
just
I'll just suggest here one thing. Utkarsh, if you can stop sharing the screen once, bache.
Yes,
Just stop
ma'am.
sharing the screen.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
stop.
Right. Now, Utkarsh, you share the screen again. And you quickly change the slides.
Okay.
And beta, nobody, please do not spoil the screen. He has made the PPT. Let's see what he has made. Okay. So don't do that.
allow me give me the remote control request. I have requested you. Just allow it.
Yes, ma'am.
Allowed? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Nakul, don't do it. I can see you've done something. But Mashi nahi karo.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Next slide, please.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Or I can do one thing, Utkarsh, if you want, I can share the PPT with Soumya ma'am personally.
Ma'am, I have now shared it. You can see it.
Okay.
Okay. Next, please. Okay. Festivals. Next. Utkarsh on the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
this reminds us that next week is the beginning of celebrations. We will have Diwali coming up, Karwa Chauth, Bhai Dooj, and a lot of Govardhan Puja and a lot of other festivals which we want to
Ma'am,
celebrate.
Diwali is coming on 4th November.
Yes, yes. So, wishing you all the very best. And मैम ने जैसे बताया, हर किसी के घर में सेम फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के भी अलग तरीके होते हैं. So, celebrate with your culture, with your rituals, enjoy them, and stay safe, as shared by ma'am.
Right. So wish you all a very